everyone. So we're going to make these nice lollipops. Let's do it. We will need some toothpicks. Be careful. We need to make them slightly smaller. Let's snap them here. Careful, about that size. Okay, so I will just leave this one here. Now we are going to use another one as well. Just give me a second, and here it is, that sort of size. Let's take our chocolate flavored plasticine. No, I'm joking, just a brown one. And let's roll it really, really thin. You can do it, mate. I can see really like nicely. This? Perfect.
Okay, it's like a worm.
Yes.
I just made.
Excellent. Now we need to start rolling. Okay, so let's start from this corner. I'm going to use my tool just to help me to roll it better. Here it is. It can be a bit tricky, but once you start, it's actually quite easy and pretty smooth. Okay, here you go. So that's almost done. Let's try not to squeeze too much because we want to have the pattern and shape of the lollipop. And now I'm going to use my toothpick, mailer one for you, and let's put it with the other end. With a pointy bit, let's just put it right here in the middle. Okay, and here we go. That's exactly the same as mine. Now we need some decoration. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to use the pink one. No, purple one. Let's use the purple one, okay?
You can do purple sprinkles.
Yes, we can do sprinkles. We can put also little dots, whatever we want. We'll do sprinkles.
Bows.
Exactly. Let's roll it thin and use our tool again and just put some sprinkles on top.
But in this video we won't show
the sprinkles, the bows. No, let's just put sprinkles first, okay? Excellent. Meili, you're doing really well.
Thank you.
Yours looks really nice.
We will just speed this up.
It's also good to use your fingers like Meili is doing. I will use tools because it's slightly easier for me. Maila's got smaller fingers than mine. Excellent. Yes. I'm almost done.
You could just use your nails because they're like...
I could, but now I want to make yellow sprinkles. Look, let's roll it really, really thin. Almost done. And here we go. Just to give a bit of an extra flavor. It's always nice to have chocolate lollipop with some lemon sprinkles on it. Excellent. Here we go.
I finished mine.
Yours looks really, really delicious. And it's almost done. Here we go.
5 little lollipops want to be a star. 5 little lollipops want to be a star. 5 little lollipops dancing as a star. This lollipop is delicious. I'm always going to come to the shop to get these lollipops. Good that I have 100 of them at home.